Let's check out 3 different ways you can install a WordPress theme on your website. Number 1, from the repository. From your dashboard, head over to Appearance, Themes, then press Add New up here at the top. From here, we could check out all of the featured themes, popular, latest, favorites if you mark any favorites, and we could actually filter based on different things like a blog format, if it has custom background, wide blocks, so on and so forth. If we click on a theme, we'll get more details and a preview of how that theme actually looks, as well as an option to check out all of the ratings. If you press the preview button, it will bring you back to that same exact details page. Now to install it, simply press Install. Now at this point, we could activate it or check out a live preview. The difference here is that the live preview will show you how it would look on your site right now, whereas Activate will push it live for every visitor to see. So here is a live preview of how our site would look with this theme active. And if I like it, I can go ahead and press Activate and Publish. Or I can just press the X button and revisit it at a later time. Number 2, uploading your own. If you purchase a WordPress theme from another website, such as Divi, the process is quite similar. Make sure that you have the zip file, which you should be able to download from the seller. And like before, from the dashboard, we'll head to Appearance, Themes, and we'll also press Add New. The difference here is we're going to press Upload Theme and choose our zip file. Now with that file selected, we can press Install Now. And like before, we could do a live preview to see how it would look on our website, or we could just activate it to go live for everybody to see. If for some reason you prefer FTP, then this is how you do it. Connect to your root directory and navigate to WP-Content and Themes. This is where we'll upload the theme folder. However, we do not want the zip file. Instead, we need to extract it and upload that folder instead. Once the extraction is complete, drag that folder into your themes folder, and that's it. Now from the dashboard, go to Appearance, Themes, and there we go, Divi is installed. And again, if we hover over, we can activate it or do a live preview. And there you go. Those are 3 ways you can easily install a WordPress theme to your website. If you enjoyed this video, then be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more content. With that said, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.